Glock 20, 10 millimeter. As you've seen from my videos, I shoot it mostly in the stock form. I've also shot it with a 6-inch barrel. Today is going to be a little different. Today we're going to be shooting a Glock carbine. But first, let me show you the Glock 20. Now, I'm going to make it a carbine. Using the lower half of your Glock 20, putting in this little adapter here, and using this upper. Now we have a Glock carbine. Has a 16-inch barrel, and you can reach out there and really touch someone with a 10 millimeter now. Uses Glock magazines, and let's see how it does. There's no sights on this, by the way, so I have nothing to aim with. There you go, a Glock carbine. This first test with the new Glock carbine, 10 millimeter. Very little kick. Can't aim for shit.